Go on, get up there. Get up there. Yeah. You smell those pepperonis in the basket, don't you? You were hoping for a pepperoni, I bet.
That's so funny.
Huh? Get up. Get up there. Get up there. Up, 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 up. Go on, get up.
It's hard because
Go on, get up.
well, it's hard to make certain things.
You want a cookie? Get up.
You
Up.
can get like gluten-free
No.
noodles, but
Get up. Get up. Get up there.
there's certain issues.
Go on, get up.
I have the
Good boy.
vegan mozzarella. It turned out pretty well. But I'll have to experiment.
What do you use?
Cashews.
So what do you use to make the ricotta?
Mozzarella. You did.
Well, there's ricotta and mozzarella.
I didn't think about it.
Look out.
No, I didn't make no.
Yeah.
I just made mozzarella.
Sit.
So I had to
Lie
try
down.
to figure out the ricotta.
Good
I'm
boy.
so gluten, man.